Imagine stepping into your garden. The air is alive with the gentle hum of bees flitting from flower to flower. Their fuzzy bodies covered in pollen, they diligently collect nectar. This enchanting scene shows the magic of a garden that welcomes these vital pollinators. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of nature and the joys a thriving ecosystem brings. A bee-friendly garden is more than just a visual treat. It's a haven for these incredible creatures. Creating such a sanctuary is easy and rewarding. Make conscious choices, select plants for bees, and adopt bee-friendly practices. Let's create a world where bees can thrive, one garden at a time. Bees are often celebrated for their role in honey production, but their importance extends far beyond that golden nectar. These tiny creatures are essential for the health of our planet and the food we eat. They are nature's most prolific pollinators, responsible for 1 out of every 3 bites of food we consume. As they move from flower to flower collecting nectar and pollen, bees facilitate the fertilization process in plants. This process is crucial for the production of fruits, vegetables, and seeds, forming the foundation of our food supply. Without bees, our supermarket shelves would look drastically different, lacking a diverse range of produce we often take for granted. Beyond our dinner plates, bees play a vital role in maintaining biodiversity. They are crucial for the reproduction of countless plant species, many of which contribute to the delicate balance of our ecosystems. The decline in bee populations is a serious threat to this intricate web of life, impacting everything from wildflowers to the animals that depend on them. Creating bee-friendly gardens is a powerful way to support these vital pollinators. By providing them with food and shelter, we can help ensure their survival and, in turn, safeguard the future of our food systems and the health of our planet. It's a win-win situation for both nature and humankind. Transforming your garden into a bee paradise starts with choosing the right plants. Bees are particularly drawn to flowers that are rich in nectar and pollen, providing them with the energy and nutrients they need. Opting for a diverse range of plants that bloom at different times of the year ensures a continuous food supply for your buzzing visitors throughout the seasons. Spring. Welcome bees back to your garden after the winter slumber with early bloomers like crocuses, hyacinths, and vibrant lungwort. These flowers provide a much-needed energy boost for bees as they emerge from hibernation. Summer. As the weather warms, create a vibrant tapestry of bee-attracting blooms. Consider planting lavender with its intoxicating fragrance and long blooming season, or sunflowers, which offer a generous supply of pollen and nectar. Fall. Provide bees with a late-season feast before winter sets in. Sedum, with its clusters of star-shaped flowers, and asters, with their daisy-like blooms, are excellent choices for extending the bee buffet into the fall. Remember to choose a mix of flower shapes and colors to attract different bee species. Bees have varying tongue lengths, so providing a variety of flower shapes ensures that all bees can access the nectar. Single-petal flowers, such as daisies and poppies, are generally easier for bees to access than double-petal varieties. While providing a feast of flowers is crucial, offering safe nesting sites is equally important. Many bee species are solitary creatures, seeking out small cavities in wood or hollow stems to lay their eggs. Building a bee hotel is a fun and rewarding project. Start by collecting hollow stems of bamboo, reeds, or cardboard tubes. Cut them into varying lengths. Find a container like a wooden box or tin can. Ensure it is weather-resistant and has drainage holes. Fill the container with the prepared tubes, packing them tightly. Hang your bee hotel in a sunny spot, facing south or southeast. Avoid areas exposed to strong winds or heavy rainfall. With a little effort, you can provide a safe haven for these solitary bees. Creating a bee-friendly garden goes beyond providing food and nesting sites. It's about meeting their basic needs for water and shelter. Bees, like all living creatures, need access to fresh water for hydration, especially during hot summer months. Providing a shallow water source in your garden can make a world of difference for these thirsty pollinators. A simple bird bath, a shallow dish filled with water, or even a damp patch of soil can serve as a watering hole for bees. To prevent them from drowning, add stones or pebbles to the water source, creating landing spots for bees to safely drink. In addition to water, bees need shelter from harsh weather conditions and potential predators. Planting dense shrubs, creating hedgerows, or leaving patches of undisturbed ground cover can provide bees with safe havens to escape the elements and potential threats. Consider leaving a small pile of leaves or twigs in a corner of your garden. These natural materials provide shelter for overwintering bees and other beneficial insects. Remember, a bee-friendly garden is about creating a diverse and welcoming habitat that caters to all their needs. Protecting bees means saying no to harmful pesticides. These chemicals, while targeting pests, can have devastating effects on beneficial insects like bees. Pesticides can contaminate nectar and pollen, poisoning bees and disrupting their delicate life cycle. Fortunately, there are many effective and eco-friendly alternatives to chemical pesticides. Embrace organic gardening practices that prioritize the health of your garden and its inhabitants. One such practice is companion planting, which involves growing specific plants together to deter pests naturally. For instance, planting marigolds alongside your vegetables can help keep aphids at bay, while basil acts as a natural repellent against flies and mosquitoes. Introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings to your garden can also help control pest populations naturally. Remember, a healthy garden is a balanced ecosystem where pests and beneficial insects coexist. By choosing organic solutions and embracing biodiversity, you create a thriving environment that supports bees and other pollinators while minimizing your impact on the environment. Creating bee-friendly spaces is not limited to sprawling gardens. Even in urban environments, there are wonderful initiatives and communities dedicated to supporting bees. From rooftop gardens buzzing with life to community-led beekeeping projects, the movement to protect these pollinators is gaining momentum in cities worldwide. Joining a local beekeeping association or a community garden is a great way to connect with like-minded individuals, exchange knowledge, and learn practical tips on bee-friendly practices. These groups often organize workshops, educational sessions, and events that provide valuable insights into the world of bees and the importance of their conservation. Urban beekeeping is another fantastic way to contribute to the well-being of bees in cities. Many organizations and individuals are setting up beehives on rooftops, balconies, and even in backyards, providing bees with a safe haven amidst the urban jungle. These initiatives not only support bee populations, but also raise awareness about the importance of pollinators in our ecosystem. In the grand scheme of things, a single garden might seem like a small drop in the ocean. But when it comes to creating a bee-friendly world, every little effort counts. Each patch of nectar-rich flowers, each bee hotel installed, and each decision to choose organic solutions contributes to a larger movement that can create a ripple effect. Imagine a network of bee-friendly gardens, connected like stepping stones across cities and countryside, providing a continuous corridor of food and shelter for bees. This vision, while ambitious, is achievable if we all embrace the responsibility of creating havens for these vital pollinators within our own spaces. The power of one garden lies in its ability to inspire. When neighbors and passers-by see a thriving bee-friendly space, it sparks curiosity and encourages them to consider adopting similar practices in their own yards. It's about sharing knowledge, spreading awareness, and creating a domino effect that transforms our communities, one garden at a time. Creating a bee-friendly world extends beyond the boundaries of our gardens. It involves raising awareness, sharing knowledge, and advocating for policies that protect these vital pollinators. By becoming informed and engaging in meaningful conversations, we can amplify the message of bee conservation and inspire collective action. Share your passion for bees with friends, family, and neighbors. Talk about the simple steps they can take to make their gardens more bee-friendly. Encourage them to plant bee-attracting flowers, reduce pesticide use, and support local beekeeping initiatives. Social media is another powerful tool for spreading awareness about bee conservation. Share photos of your bee-friendly garden, post articles and resources about bee decline, and engage in conversations about the importance of pollinators. Use your voice to advocate for policies that protect bees and their habitats. The beauty of creating a bee-friendly garden is that it doesn't require a Herculean effort. Even small, mindful changes can make a significant difference in the lives of these vital pollinators. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small balcony, there are always ways to contribute to their well-being. Start by incorporating a few bee-attracting plants into your existing landscape. Choose a mix of native flowers that provide a continuous source of nectar and pollen throughout the seasons. Consider adding a bee hotel to provide nesting sites for solitary bees. Reduce or eliminate the use of pesticides in your garden. Explore organic alternatives and embrace practices that promote a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, contributes to creating a more hospitable environment for bees and other pollinators. The decline in bee populations is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the impact our actions have on the delicate balance of nature. But it's not a time for despair. It's a time for action. By embracing bee-friendly practices, we can collectively make a difference in their survival and, in turn, safeguard the future of our planet. Let's transform our gardens into thriving havens for bees, where the gentle hum of their wings is a constant reminder of the beauty and importance of these vital pollinators. Let's spread awareness, share knowledge, and inspire others to join the movement for a bee-friendly world. Together, let's create a world where bees can thrive, ensuring the health of our ecosystems, the diversity of our food systems, and the vibrancy of our planet for generations to come. The time for action is now. Embrace the buzz, and let's make a difference, one garden at a time.